don't pick up. This girl's on D&D. Girl, you know you have to call her twice. I mean, who's even that busy anyways? I mean, you've seen her schedule, right?
You guys don't know about St. Harry the way that Taïfa and I know about St. Harry's. Better get to know as you're a loser.
Saw each other in town. We had dinner together, but we weren't together.
We weren't together.
We were with our partners.
Yeah.
We were together.
But now that we're back, our second piece is Residence Barbara.
They know us way too much here, and they have new people that don't know me, and it's affecting me in a way that I don't know how to explain how to make this feel about me right now.
I just feel like sometimes, I'm just trying to keep it real. I feel like sometimes, how's the politically correct way to say this? Sometimes people say things to you, yeah. And I think that sometimes the consequences that make sense in my head are, you know, maybe not the most politically correct.
Oh, messy. Get it. I need a straw though, you're right. It's giving...
While Taïfa is getting straws right now, I just want to say that she is a baddie and a genius and is so dedicated to her craft, and y'all better subscribe and give her some money so that she can rest a little bit.
Okay, cheers. Love you. Miss you, neighbor. I ran into Sandy. Look at how we're both dressed right now.
We're literally matching.
Our nails are exactly the same right now. We have baggy jeans on. We have like a big purse. Our shoes are exactly the same. We're at Marshall's right now, and we're trying to find things for fall for my collab with Marshall's. We're looking at candles. It doesn't smell like fall. Cinnamon and vanilla. Ooh, this one's strong. It smells like fall, but I don't know if that's the vibe that I want to...
Yeah, I like the sand and fog.
Ooh, this is not bad. This one kind of smells good. I like this. If I show this to the camera, I'm like, oh, like fall, but it's white. People are gonna be like, this is purple.
It's plum.
It's... Did you smell this one? Smell that one. We didn't smell that one. It has a pumpkin on it. You didn't say anything, so I don't think you like it. Packaging of this though, so cute.
It's actually not bad.
Her? Yeah. $15, and we have a $300 budget.
I'm thinking pillows. If we're looking more like dining table set, so tablecloth, napkins, something like that. That's the spirit. No, that's what we're not doing.
This is giving so fall. So happy I ran into you because this is way more enjoyable with you here. Humongous pillows that are green. It's giving fall. Sandy just showed me a cheetah print blanket. I know I'm Congolese, but let's not exaggerate.
I really think this is cute. It's like fall, and it gives like an auburn, like burnt orange. It's the sheets. But what size?
I would use this bowl more than I would use this one.
Then take this one.
Okay guys, I came home. I had to take an Uber because I carried so much stuff from Marshall's. I want to give you a little haul, and then I'm gonna get the flipping ready. Is that even English? I don't think that's proper English. I have to get ready because I'm late. It's 3-something p.m. The event is at 5. I have to re-shower because I'm sweating like crazy. I have to do my makeup, and then what? And then I wanted to film a get ready with me for the event. I don't know how I'm gonna do all of that in like an hour and a half because I think I have like an hour and 15 minutes. It's just so hot outside, and I'm going to 2 events, and I want to smell good and feel good. I got some really cute stuff for the collaboration. Can't lie, when I walked in there, I struggled. I felt like I couldn't find anything that was like my vibe or my taste for my house. But my house also looks like a mess right now. I have a pile of stuff like everywhere, which is very frustrating because I haven't had the time to clean anything. This week has been hectic. I got this fake plant. She's cute. I like the pot. Olive green. It's giving fall in my opinion, so that's why I got it. Soap dispenser. I feel like this on my kitchen counter is gonna look very cute. Another color, but this one's more like pumpkin color. I got these pillows. If you guys could touch them right now. Came in like a set of 2, which is perfect. I got this cooking bowl that I'm gonna use to make salad. I don't know if you guys can really see the color of it, but it's really cute. Look at it compared to the size of my head. these glasses that I find very cutesy and chic. They have shades of like orange. I don't know if you guys can tell. I got 2 mugs that are probably like the most fall thing that I got. Little pumpkin. It's one for me, one for my boyfriend that never drinks coffee or tea. I love the detailing on it. Really soft. I got a new towel. She's burgundy, which is perfect for fall, obviously. Then I got a set of like 4 washcloths that are also burgundies. I never decorate my apartment for like seasons, and I kind of get why people do it because it's really, I get the vibe. Kitchen towels that are also burgundy. Honestly, usually I don't get candles that are not soy candles because they're not good for your health, but because it's a collaboration, I'm into it. So guys, I'm ready, but my mic is dead. Uber is like a 15-minute wait time for some reason, which has never happened, by the way. Thirdly, there's a third. My phone's also about to die. I don't know. I thought it was charging on this time. It wasn't. Yeah, I don't know if I like my fit or not. And that's kind of annoying me because, but whatever. We move. Yellow silk skirt, Zara heels, and like this top that I first did a really long time ago in a vintage store. And then I'm wearing gold earrings, which is something that I never really do. So we're trying new things right now because if I'm wearing a yellow skirt, I have to wear gold heels. And then I have my rings. I'm wearing my Le Tanner bag, of course, because it has gold detailing. So it's all in the details. Let's go to these events. How are you? Yes, thank you so much. Like,
I can see it now. I can feel it now. When you touch me in my bloodstream, when you touch me, you can lift me up. Says high above me, rivers in my heart. I can feel it now, coming closer. I can feel it now, taking over. In the heat of it, in my heartbeat, and the magic steps through my bloodstream. You can lift me up to places high above me. Can rivers in my heart.
Hey guys, it's me Jenny, and I love Taïfa so much. Préfère la prononcer. Et le pas préféré de Taïfa.
So Sona Cosmetics invited me out for dinner, and honestly the venue was stunning. It was so chic and elegant. Every little detail just made the night feel super magical. I couldn't stop looking around. It was just simply gorgeous.
This one's like I usually wear.
This is like our family meal. It's classy, it's tasteful, it's really nice, and this is what we want to do for the community. We don't just want to make commodity and product, we want to build community, we want you guys in it. It's time to bring it home to Canada.
We're done. We're done. Good night.
That's how you did.
Good morning, guys. I know it's day 2 and it's supposed to be a one-day vlog, but I didn't have the chance to kind of like conclude the vlog or conclude my day because I was so tired. When I got home, I showered, I went straight to bed, guys, and I closed my eyes. I just came back from the gym. That's why I look crusty and musty right now. I got myself a matcha from my favorite matcha place here in Montreal. It's called Mina Mina, and I got also like a banana bread, which I've never tasted, but I heard it's good. So we're gonna do like a little unboxing of all the products I received yesterday, and I also have like an unboxing of 2 packages that were sent to me that I haven't opened yet that we're gonna do together real quick. I don't know if you can see the state of my room or the state of my living room or the state of my bathroom or the state of my kitchen, but I have not cleaned my house in like 3 weeks. To be fair, I was gone in Toronto, and before that my boyfriend was here, so nothing was clean. So now I'm gonna lock in and I'm gonna clean this freaking house. It's gonna be spotless, and I'm gonna take a pretty princess shower and stay in on this beautiful Friday night. And I'm also staying in tomorrow, which is for me the perfect weekend. First event I went to yesterday was France Laure, which is a skincare cosmetic brand that has existed for like a really long time. I had no clue this brand existed, but I'm excited to try their products. The event was super cute. They had like a skin analysis machine where, well, you get a skin analysis and they tell you exactly if your skin is too oily. They give you a percentage. I had done it once at an Estee Lauder event and I had like an 89%, so I didn't want to do it again in case it was lower. Right. They had like a masseuse there who like won multiple awards in Canada. She does at-home service, so I'm gonna call her line and get a full body massage real soon because girl, the food guys, 10 out of 10. The sushi was passing and I was like munching like crazy. People don't be eating at influencer events. I'm the influencer that's eating everything. This is one of my favorite parts of going to influencer events. It's the gifts. No, it's the networking and everything, but it's mostly the gifts. Oh, there's a little ribbon. This is the masseuse I was talking about. They're giving us $10 off. So this is just a France Laure pamphlet that just explains their products and their history. They started in the 70s, guys, which is crazy. Ooh, I like the packaging already. Oh yeah. Yeah, makeup remover. It's called the B-Phase Makeup Remover Eye and Lip. Oh, ooh, I like this. And I needed a makeup remover, guys. I am part of the team of people who do not have makeup remover and that just use their face wash. That's me. Peeling acid glycolic. What do you do? Do you think they would tell me in here? Give me a second. Okay, I can't find it. So this has to be the jewelry. Oh, it's cute. It's very cute. Probably gonna gift this to someone. This I want to get into. A lip mask hates to see me coming. Perfume. These are the head wraps that you put on your head when you're doing your skincare. We're just gonna do this right now because I'm trying to be somewhat presentable to you guys right now. I went to the Sona Cosmetics launch dinner, which was crazy, guys. Like the venue was 10 out of 10. It was like at a high penthouse type looking venue. A whole table spread that was decorated in such a minimalist, yes, Pinterest way. I don't feel like the video does it justice because the lighting was really bad. I usually go to so many influencer dinners and the food is terrible, or at least like I don't understand what I'm eating. This dinner, guys, I want to go back to the restaurant and pay for that food because it was so good. I highly recommend to whoever is in Montreal. I don't even know the name of the restaurant now that I think about it. Okay, so Sona is a Canadian-born beauty brand with one mission: to deliver high-quality, trend-driven, clean, and cruelty-free products. Because beauty should never feel exclusive. Think your fave makeup brands just without the markup. Their branding is so cute. Like, it's so Pinterest. I don't know how to explain it. All their products are super affordable. They're $12. The packaging is cute. I can't wait to try them out. They said take as many products as you want, so I took as many products as I could. They gave us these little bags. Like, I went in and I devoured the whole spread of products. I was like, I'm gonna pick every single product. And you know what? I'm gonna take products for my friends as well. Do you think this shade is gonna suit me? No. But my Caucasian friends, yes. So you gotta think about your homies as well. Look at this. The packaging is so cute, like besties. I see this and I want to buy it just because it looks good. Hopefully the products are also good. I know the ingredients are really good as well from what I understood. Oh, these are the peptide dupes from Rhode and they made it affordable, guys. Look at this applicator. Isn't it fantastic? I'm powering through. I got this package this morning. No clue what this is. Excited to see what it is. This is inside of the box. I love these designs, guys. Like, I kind of want to work in this. Like, product design is something that would really interest me because this is so cute. Oh, it's frizz-free curls. Now, how am I gonna use this? I don't think this is made for my hair type. Captivate your curls with this iconic curl duo, including our newest transformative gel to foam styler. I just love the fact that it's pink. Do you guys know how many hair products I have currently in my bathroom that I can't use on my own hair type? I will be keeping them for now, but then I'm gonna have to do a giveaway by the end of the year for Christmas. I'm gonna do a really big giveaway and I'm really excited. Okay, last package is from Holt Renfrew. So we got luxury. Luxuries in the building with us. Well, let's start with the heaviest item, a book. The Guide to Becoming Alive. Flamingo Estate is an enclave of sun worship, plant mythologies, and natural remedies. The Guide to Becoming Alive shows you how to carve your path of radical pleasure, inspired by Richard's own, with lessons gleaned from living things, the flirting habits of orchids, featuring conversations with Joe Hargan, Alice Waters, Martha Stewart. Oh, Martha is in this? Damn. Fall 2025. Thai Guerlain perfume samples. The YSL mascara. I love her, she loves me, we love each other. She does the job. Have you guys heard of this brand? The Ultimate Enriched Cleansing Foam. This I'm going to try immediately. Product, see that? You guys see yourselves? Do you see yourselves? You're cute. I'm talking about myself, guys. Literally talking about myself. Prada, One Day You and Me. This is the packaging. Oh, can you guys see the product? Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this smells like nothing. There's no smell. This formula rapidly firms, evens, and smooths the appearance of the lines and wrinkles for healthier looking, rejuvenated skin. Okay, I'm 24, I'm out here stressing about wrinkles. I'm going to go clean my house now. Thank you for spending the day with me.